Hi guys, I am using UR16CS087. I am here to explain about the stack concept using array. We are going to do a program using three functions called push, pop and display, which are used to push an element into the stack, and second is used to throw an element out of the stack, and third is used to display an element which are present in the stack. First here we are going to declare a variable called top with a 0 and an array named AR with a size of 3. We are now first using a function called push, which is used to push an element into the stack. First we are checking the condition that top is not equal to 3. Once the top is not equal to 3, which means the stack is not full and we can enter an element into the stack, so that we are getting an input from the user and saving it in the variable called no, and then we are pushing it into the stack using this function. Once this condition is false, which means the stack is full and the control comes out of the program. And we are getting a second program called pop, which is used to throw an element out of the stack. We are also using the same condition if in this function also we are checking that top is not equal to 0. Once the top is not equal to 0, which means the stock is not empty, so that has element to throw out, then we are throwing the last element of the stack out. Once the condition is false, which means the stack is empty and there is no element to take away. And the third program is to display. We are using for loop to display the stack variables or element present in the stack. Using this function, the elements present in the stack is displayed, and then the main function is being declared. In this main function we are using a switch program, to which if we enter 1, the push function is called, and if we enter 2, pop function is called, and if we enter 3, display function is called, and once we enter 4, the control comes out of the program. And this is a program what I have done. And once if we run the program, this is the output. Here it displayed that enter 1 to push number into the array. We are now first pushing an element into the array, namely 100. Then we are going to display, so that we are entering 3, and here the element present in the stack is being displayed, and again we are going to enter another element into the stack, so that we are giving 1 and second element, and then we are entering another element giving 1, so that now we are going to display the element present in the stack, so we are giving 3. Here in this line the elements present in the stack is being displayed. Now we are going to pop out an element from the stack, so we are giving 2, which means the last element is to be popped out. Now we are going to check, and here the last element, that is 300, that is present in the previous line, is being popped out here. So the elements present in the stack now is 100 and 200. That's all for our program. Once we have 4, we are quitting. Thank you.